Hello students, so we are going to start with the next sampling, that is random sampling. As the name suggests, that is random. Random मतलब अचानक कोई भी चीज़ सैम्पल के तौर पे निकाल लेना. जैसे one where the individual unit from the population are selected at random. The government wants to determine, what governments want? To determine to impact the rise of the petrol prices in the household budget of the particular locality. For this, a representative means random we are going to collect 30 household to be taken as study. मतलब enumerators are going to select only some household areas, the origins, and they are going to tell about the 300 household of that area were written as a piece of paper कि Maxwell and 30 names be interviewed are selected by one. That is random sampling. In this random sampling, every individual has an individual chance and selected an individual because we are selecting randomly, so there is a no situation of the bias over there. Like the other ones, we are not selected. In the above example, all 30 sample units from the population got equal chance of being included in the sample. 30 unit has been selected and we are going to collect the data, and we can say random sampling as lottery system or a lottery method also we can say over there. And how we are using this number? Do you know that the random tables, random numbers have been generated to guarantee equal probability. We are having, you can see over there, okay, some numbers are given 149, 200. In this way, we are going to select randomly. We are in a lottery way also we can select 30 household sectors and going to collect all the information from the origin of that area. Is it clear? Now the next is non-random sampling. There are many situations that we have to select 10 out of 100 household in the locality, and we have to decide household to select and which is to be rejected. You may select the household conveniently situation, the household known to you. Non-random means, random means कि कोई भी 10, कोई भी 30 आउट ऑफ 300 आउट ऑफ 100 हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर्स जहाँ से भी डाटा कलेक्ट करना है, लेकिन हमने रैंडमली तो कलेक्ट किया है पर अपने कन्वीनियंस से तय किया है कि किस एरिया में किस हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर में मैं आसानी से मूवमेंट कर सकती हूँ. इज इट क्लियर? इन दिस केस एंड वी आर यूजिंग judgment. Here we can be a bias in selecting the 10 household sector. 10 sample जो मैंने select किया है वो मैं bias भी हो सकती हूँ. This way of selecting 10 out of 100 household is not a random sample selection. It's non-random sampling method. All unit of population do not have an equal chance of being selected. ये जो मैंने select किया है तो मैंने 100 को equal chance नहीं दिया है, 10 को अपनी कन्वीनियंस से मैंने सेलेक्ट किया है और उसके ओरिजिन से इनोमरेटर इज गोइंग टू कलेक्ट द डाटास. The unit of the particular population have an equal chance of being selected, and convenience adjustment investigator plays an important role in selection of. अब इसमें जो इनोमरेटर है और यू कैन से द इन्वेस्टिगेटर है वो 10 आउट ऑफ 30 जो भी सैम्पल कलेक्ट करता है अपनी जजमेंट पे, अपने कॉन्सेंसस पे या वी कैन से बाइस्ड होकर ले लेता है. दे आर मेनली सेलेक्टेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ जजमेंट, purpose, convenience, quota, and this is called a non-random sampling. I think this is clear to everyone. Now sample and non-sample errors. Many time what we are, क्योंकि every time the enumerator is a human and human being can be does some errors because a human error is possible over any collection of data. The purpose of this sample is to take an estimation of the population. Sample error refers to the difference between the sample estimate and actual value of the characteristics of the population. It is the error that occurs when you make the observation from the sample taken from the population. Thus, the difference between the actual value and the parameter of the population is estimated. The sample error. It is possible to reduce the magnitude of sample error by taking a larger sample. हमने यदि डाटा कलेक्ट किया है और सैम्पल हमने अभी रैंडम सैम्पलिंग पढ़ी कि वी आर गोइंग टू कलेक्ट 30 आउट ऑफ 300 एंड 10 आउट ऑफ 100. अब उसमें जब हम करते हैं तो जिस भी हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर का कर सकते हैं, तो हमने एक ऑब्वियस एक अप्रॉक्स डाटा दिया है कि 300 या 100 हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर में सेम डाटा होगा, लेकिन यहाँ पर एरर हो सकता है, पॉसिबिलिटीज़ है. नॉन सैम्पल एरर्स आर more serious than sample errors because a sample error can be minimized by taking a large sample. It is difficult to minimize non-sampling errors taking a large samples. Being a Sensex, यदि हम Sensex कर रहे हैं, can contain non-sampling errors. Some of the non-sampling errors are, you can say, errors in data accumulation. नॉन रिस्पॉन्स एरर हो सकता है, सैम्पलिंग कैन बी बाइज्ड हो सकता है. दीज आर द थ्री टाइप ऑफ एरर्स कैन बी पॉसिबल इन रैंडम सैम्पलिंग. Moving on to the next topic, that is Sensex of the India and the NSSO in the next video.